Hey guys, Dep here. So, I think a year or two back I made a video on this miniature slingshot crossbow pistol, and you can see this thing is pretty small. It's a tiny little boy, and that's exactly what I built it for, just to be tiny so I can throw it in a bag, do whatever. And it shoots these little crossbow bolts here that I made out of some really thin dowel. But I want to show you guys something else because I kind of showed you guys this already. I want you to meet its bigger brother, which is right here. Yes, that is a arrow launcher. Just to walk you guys through this thing, so you can see the receiver is made out of half-inch, I think it was pine or poplar wood. And you can see it's two different pieces here. If you look closely, you can tell it's two different pieces. But yeah, it's been stained. The actual launcher part is made out of C-channel aluminum. I opted to do aluminum this time around just for weight savings. So you can see I can just wield this one hand and just swing it around, which is pretty light. Normally I don't like working with aluminum, but this one I did it in aluminum because I wanted it to be lightweight. And it has a set of these exercise bands. Each one of these bands is about 10 pounds. I'm guessing that it's a 20-pound draw weight on this thing. Which, yeah. And then I have this loop of paracord up here, so you can loop it around your foot, and you just cock the bands back with it. And instead of using a whisker biscuit, you can see that I'm using this brush right here, and an arrow goes in there perfectly fine. So you can see this goes in like so, and then just like that. Everything sits in there, and get a decent side picture on there. Bands aren't cocked, so the arrow isn't actually getting held in there. So yeah, that's its bigger brother. Let me cut to a clip of this getting test fired right now. So I'm down in the dungeon, and I have it loaded up with a 26-inch youth arrow. I guess this is normal tip on there, if you can see that. I'm gonna aim for that bullseye over there. I am about 5 meters away, or 5 yards, however you want to call that. So let's see if I can actually hit that. So let's see how far I went with that. So that almost went all the way through, which was not bad. And yeah, not too bad. Here you go, 2 for 1. I'm shooting this the mini crossbow pistol again. That accuracy is horrible. So yeah, that's this project. Yeah, thanks for watching.